Okay, so I was just posting my video for Divine Couture NC, and for those business owners out there, how about y'all partner with me in a way? And if you're new to building your brand, let's all post content for the last week of February every single day. Go and create you a content calendar and strategize on what content you need to put out there to attract followers. And let's just post it for a whole week, 7 days straight. We're gonna have to start it on the 20th. I just want y'all to do that and see how it make you feel. And that was just on my heart to share with y'all. But let's post content together the last week of February, every single day. All right, y'all with me? Peace out.